I don't agree with all the answers. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. I gave CDC Pro 11 and it was kind of absurd. I scored very low and let me tell you all about it. Starting with the VARC section, I attempted 19 questions, got only 6 correct and scored 8 marks. The percentile is 34.06. Very disappointing and bad performance, and I don't know, the RCs, the options which were the CDC Pro 11, the solution of the RCs were kind of absurd. मैं ऐसा नहीं बोल रहा कि वो उनके answers incorrect थे, but I don't agree completely with all the answers. That is pretty much about it. I don't agree with all the answers as per the CDC Pro 11. Now talking about the DILR section, I started with the 10 kilometer road and A, B are two contractors, and that was the set. Then I attempted the second set, which was about inflow of water, released water and the water stored, and I was not able to understand both of the sets, and both the sets were kind of vague and I was not able to get the basic premise of both the set. And ऐसा तो मेरे को बाद में पता चला, when I was attempting the sets I thought कि मैंने दोनों set सही attempt किया है, and I have attempted 8 questions, got 8 correct. I was thinking before looking at the scores. After looking at the scores, I realized कि I got the basic premise of both the set incorrect and ended up messing the DILR section. So I attempted 8 questions, got only 2 correct and scored 3 marks. Percentile is 28.67, very low and very disappointing performance. And let's talk about the QA. I attempted 10 questions, got 10 correct, got 30 marks, and the percentile is 94.98 percentile. Quite good. And quant is pretty impressive. The questions were on the easier side and उतना difficult questions नहीं था, और पहले ही बहुत ज़्यादा लाइन से क्वेश्चंस बन रहे थे. लास्ट के कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैंने नहीं देखे, पता नहीं हो सकता है उसमें इजी क्वेश्चन हो, बट it was all about the QA section. Overall I scored 41 marks and the percentile is 64.02. Pretty low marks, pretty low percentile. But talking about the CDC Pro 11 and the CDC mocks overall, the mocks are kind of unique and pretty disappointing. Every time I attempt any CDC mock, I end up getting disheartened and demotivated, kind of a little bit demotivated. And IMS mocks, I do pretty well in those IMS mocks. I don't know what is happening, but that's all about this video. Also tell me about your scores and experience, how it went, कैसा रहा आपका. And thank you for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe and bye bye.